Viewers, in last 8 years I have read over 1000 books on business. Here are 5 lessons I learned from these books. The first lesson is that people don't buy what they need, they buy what they want. Imagine the Coca-Cola company, the carbohydrated drinks we do not need. These companies are billion-dollar companies. Well, the fruit sellers are poor. We humans need fruits, we need natural juices, but we go for the carbohydrated drinks. So as a businessman, you need to focus on what people want rather than what they need. The second thing I learned from the books is that it's better to be the first in the market rather than to be the best. Now it does not matter how much Huawei is good, does not matter how much Oppo is good, but the smartphone industry is popular because of Apple. The Apple was the first company which was launched, and it has proved over the year that the companies who come to the market first earn more compared to those companies which come later. Does not matter how much good product they have. The third thing which I learned from all these books is that your business is your child. Whatever you are, that thing your business become. If you are someone who is all the time positive, who is a kind of optimist, he will all the time attract the optimistic people. If in your business someone negative will come, chances are that he will not survive. Chances are that he will not be able to work with you. So all the people who will have around you will have your mindset. And the fourth point is that if you are going to business every day, if your business needs you to operate, to be operational, then you are not doing business. You are doing a job. Let's say all the people who have shops will say that we have a business. Well, in my point of view, and as per the books, you are doing a job. If you are not going to your shop yourself, then it's a job. If someone else is opening your shop and someone else is operating, and while you are sleeping, your business is working, then you are a real businessman. And the fourth thing and the fifth thing that would be is that the real thing is that you need to create something which will sell over the years. Do you know that Robert Kiyosaki wrote the book of Rich Dad and Poor Dad? Based on that book, it has been around 30 to 40 years, he is earning millions. That book is still recommended. Do you know Think and Grow Rich is being sold by many people around the globe in shape of hard copies. It is available in every shop you see, and it is also selling around 500 to 1000 copies on Amazon. So you have to create something which should not be trendy, which should be something which should sell over the years. And how these things sell, how these things work? Well, I would like to say one thing, that if you are creating a product which is loved by 100 people is better than creating a product which is liked by 1000 people. The things which people love work for years. The things which people love continuously sell. Does not matter it's a best-selling book, does not matter it's some story, does not matter it's some motivational speech or maybe some YouTube channel. So if you are going to have a business, let me talk to my content creators, that create something that will last for the years. People want to know about the positivity, people want to know about the good things. But if you are creating the content on something contemporary, like let's say the modern trends, let's say you are talking about someone, then that's not gonna last. So talk about the things as a content creator which will last for years, and that will help you to earn the things throughout your life. So these 5 lessons I wanted to share with you today. It's early morning. This is the first idea which came into mind. I thought better I should create the video. If you are liking my videos, please share the video with others so that we have a larger community. Subscribe our channel if you are new here. Thank you so much.